What's up YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure, talking to you today about this 2020 4Runner Limited Nightshade Edition, or Nightshade Package. You know, not a lot of changes over the 19 model, but there are some, so I want to go over that. Up front, cosmetically, you know, you don't even notice this difference until you get up close. This is your Toyota Safety Sense pre-collision radar sensor. So that's a little change to the front look of the vehicle, but not super noticeable. The Nightshade Edition package is really cool. You get the blacked out 20-inch wheels. They black out the chrome with this like black chrome look. Black out the emblems. We black out the limited badge. And on the back they black out the 4Runner and the badge as well. It's a limited, so you are going to have a lot of equipment. The limiteds did not get the upgrade for Smart Key on 2020 because they already had it. So nothing new there. Memory seating, because it's a limited, of course it has all your power options. Leather interior, power driver's seat, power passenger seat even. What is new for this 2020 Toyota Safety Sense? So we've got your lane departure warning system, adaptive cruise control, we've got automatic high beams. This limited, of course, has the heated and cooled front seats, automatic climate control. Limiteds already had push button start, so that's not new, but what is new is this infotainment system. Really changes the look. I'll do a brief look at a 19 real quick since I still have them on the lot, and show you the difference in this screen. It's dramatic. So here we have the 2019 infotainment. I mean, quite a bit different looking. No Android Auto, no Apple CarPlay. While I got you here, this is a 2019 Nightshade Limited, of course. The other one didn't have this option though. There is an available third row seat. So some come with it, some don't. It's a $1,050 option, I believe. Also, so down here, this USB port now interfaces for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've got a nicer navigation system with larger screen. Other than that, it is the 4Runner you know and love. 4-liter V6, 6-speed automatic transmission, full-time 4-wheel drive with a 2-speed transfer case. I'm Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Feel free to hit me up at the number below if you have any questions, or leave some comments. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Have a great day.